Hey guys, we just got back to we're renting a house over here in Daytona for the truck show, and we took the black truck, the Punisher truck home, and I just want to show y'all some of the changes we did. I know a lot of y'all seen it in the booth, but these are some of the changes we did. We added the Night Rider light, which does a million different things, which is really cool. Does a whole bunch of different colors, different patterns and everything. And then a lot of y'all who follow us on Instagram, we changed the complete look of the truck. We changed the caps, changed the door handles. All those are black now, they were chrome. And we changed the wheels to compression forged. They're on the 40-inch tire. We ordered Turo tires, but they didn't come in. Had a little issue there. And we got some new 24x14 of the 2.0s. Absolutely love these wheels. We have the polished 2.5s on the red truck. They look phenomenal. Let me know what y'all think of the changes we made. It was hard to change from polished wheels. I love polished wheels, and to go to a black wheel on this truck was and get everything blacked out in 24 hours for the truck show was pretty hard to do. We ordered the tires 2 days ahead of time, but had to get everything painted and everything put on within 1 day. So it was a stretch. We had it undercoated as well. Just let us know what you think. We appreciate it. Those are all train horns from the truck show, so we'll be at the Axe booth tomorrow. Just let us know we have both trucks out. Just let us know what you think. If y'all like it better, please leave in the comments if you like the blacked out look better, or if you like the polished look better. And let me know what you think about the Night Rider lights. Like I said, they change colors, sorry about that. And they can change the pattern for you. I mean, they just do a bunch of different things. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all very much. God bless.